Hi there, today we're going to take a look at how to do print head alignment on an HP Envy 6120E. And this is nice and simple, we're done from the printer itself using nothing but the small touch panel found on the front of the machine. So first of all, we need to get ourselves onto the menu screen, which we have a dedicated button for here. And then we're going to use the touch screen to drag it up until we get to Tools. Once we're in Tools, troubleshooting is the top option, so we go into that eventually. And here you'll see cartridge alignment is the third option. Now, print head alignments are to be used generally to remove, print head alignments are useful generally for removing like a hazing. So if you've got like a solid block of color and you can see like a line of another color running around the outside, that's normally because the cartridge needs aligning. It's not putting the ink quite where it thinks it is. It just needs a quick slap back into line. But it can also result in weird little, particularly vertical lines running down the page, things of that nature. So here we go. Now to take your printer just a minute. And it'll print a page, looks a little something like this, with the pattern in blue and black in very precise positions on there. And after it's done, rather than manually checking over all the lines like on some printers, the machine itself will take a quick look. So we're going to pop it in the scanner bed, push it up into that top left hand corner, and then back at the screen you can see it's expecting that page. We just press scan and wait for the printer again, and then we're done. Now your printer will have automatically made any minor adjustments it needs to those cartridges, and you should notice an improvement in your print quality. If, however, you are still experiencing print quality issues, I'd recommend checking out our dedicated video on cleaning these cartridges and also printing a test page from the printer, which we have on our channel. Now, thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you've got anything to add, drop it down in those comments. Otherwise, take care, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.